So we are going to use the Rust-oluem chalked paint in linen white on this cane bamboo shelf thing that I want to put up in the bathroom. I cleaned it off with hot soapy water the other day. My husband Shane is going to do this because he feels like he's done this before and he's really good at it. So
okay, we're gonna use spray paint to paint this, and the best way to do spray paint, or to use spray paint, is to do one side at a time, because you're spraying at an angle. If you try to, it's not like in the movies where you go. So hopefully this works.
And usually you would do this outside and wear a respirator, but we're not doing that. So this is what it's looking like so far. I opened all the windows so we're not getting high.
It's not.
But it's chalk paint. Yeah, it's chalk paint, so it's not. As I cough, it's not bad at all. This is gonna look good in the bathroom. And you want to make sure to get all the angles, like we have to get underneath here still, and
you're gonna want to let it dry.
Yeah.
Looking pretty good.
Alright, so we moved into the garage because I was scared of like the fumes and the cats and everything. So we're just gonna put the second coat on and touch up all the spots that we missed inside. And I think it's gonna look really good. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, I think so too.
Make sure to go this way.
Yeah, you gotta switch angle. Take your time. If the angle's not there, don't force it. Because we can, we're going to turn it.
I think it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, it is. Coming at it from a different angle.
Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. It looks really good. The video doesn't do it justice in this light, but hopefully once I hang it up in the bathroom and in some better lighting with some products and stuff on it. We still gotta flip it one more side so we can do the inside there, but it's looking good and it dries really fast. I'm actually really impressed with this Rust-oluem paint. Not sponsored, but if you want to, hit me up. Yeah, looks way better than the regular cane bamboo color. Okay, so here is the cane bamboo shelf that we spray painted chalk white last night, and I think it turned out so good. It makes a huge difference on how it looks, and just the aesthetic looks so good. That spray paint, that spray chalk paint is amazing. And I will definitely repurchase it to do other projects in the future. So I will hang this up for you guys and I'll show you, but I just wanted to get real up close and really show you guys how this looks. I think it looks so good. And what you can do is find some glass and put that in there, so when you put products or something in there, it doesn't like leak or... Alright you guys, so this is the final finished product. I could not be happier. I think it turned out so good. So again, it's just right over the toilet, which is right down there. This is what it looks like up close. It turned out so good. I just put some random things up here so you can see. Obviously I'm gonna change it out, but I just wanted to show you what it would look like with some lotions, some perfumes, some bathroom spray. And what I was talking about earlier was taking just a dollar store frame, take out the glass, put it in there, put your product right on top so it's equal and level. So that's a little hack for you guys. If you have any shelves that are kind of like wicker or bamboo and they're uneven, just take a piece of glass for $1 and put it on there. And I just think this turned out really good. I paid $5 for this. I think the paint was like around 10. And if I were to buy this shelf anywhere, I feel like I would pay $30 to $40. So I think this is an amazing thrift to flip project. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We can't wait to post more videos on our channel. Please give us a follow and a like. It would mean so much to us, and we hope to see you back at our channel very soon. Thank you so much.